Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here, and today we have a very special story of one of our student, Prachi Singh. So, Prachi Singh, she belongs to Uttar Pradesh, and she has done her BSc and MSc in Environmental Sciences from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh University, Ayodhya, right? Previously known as Faizabad. So she was preparing with us in the live online program. In that series, she qualified the NET-JRF in very first attempt with a very good score. Then she was preparing very hard for the interview with our expert team for various prestigious institutes such as IISC, IIT, IISERs, CSR labs, NIT, and other universities. In that series, Prachi have finally got selected after the interview at Indian Institute of Science Education Research, Bhopal, in the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences. So the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Prachi on such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering various programs for June 2024 NET-JRF in a crash course mode, specifically the live crash course corresponding to the video crash course and test series also. The institute is also offering the comprehensive program for December 2024 in offline, online, and correspondence with video mode. The specialized test series and discussion is also available. Institute also offering the courses for GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Science and Engineering. Institute also offers CUET PG in Life Sciences and Environmental Sciences domain. The Institute's team is providing the special guidance for the people who are seeking Masters and PhD program in US and Europe, along with the interview guidance. Those who are interested in cracking such kind of interview, they can reach us. Institute also offer courses to enhance the skill set of the student, like data analytics and GIS along with the data analytics, which will bridge the gap between industry and the qualification of the students for the better job placements. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible. Thank you.